Father-son project.
That'll be fun.
That is awesome. Original 5.0 5-speed, guys. A $200,000 dream home. Look at the mileage here. 4154. There goes Scarlett. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we're doing a video today I didn't think we were going to be doing. I'm here at Fox Mustang Restoration, and in case you saw some of the last few videos, they had a red 88 GT that had all original parts and it was up for auction. Well, the person that won the auction is actually local. He lived basically in the same town as Fox Resto, and he came to pick up the car today. But not only did he come to pick up the car, but I hear he has like a 40,000 mile 89 coupe 505 speed. So his name is John. He just arrived. I'm going to go ahead and check out the car. I'm pretty excited. I didn't know we were going to do any more on Scarlett, but sure enough, we are. He's picking Scarlett up today. So anyway, let's go ahead and check out this coupe. Oh man, that is original.
And Hilbush like painted the day that I got it.
Nice.
Oh, you got this from Hilbush?
Yeah.
Oh, I know Hilbush. That's where we get a lot of parts for my car.
Yeah, so it was
Wow.
made, I think, November, December.
The Fox stock is on it.
Should be.
That's what we're called. Did we decide the Fox stock? Dr. Foxbody.
Foxbody.
Dr. Foxbody. We got it right.
It's the date that it rolls off the assembly line.
Did you say, John, did you say this was on a lot like this or you ordered it?
So, I guess ultimately it was on the lot. So I thought I had ordered one.
Yeah.
And when they called and said, your car's in, this wasn't exactly what I ordered. I ordered the red, but at that point I wanted a red interior.
Yeah, this is a gray.
And this is gray.
Yeah.
Like a smoke gray.
But you got a red interior car now?
Yeah.
The winner of Scarlett. Don't know about that Duke hat. That's what I was telling people. Did you know I was a Carolina fan and you wore that on purpose?
Not on purpose.
No, okay. Have you driven it, Matt?
I haven't driven. I don't
No.
know how to drive manual.
Oh yeah, that's right. He was saying that for the GT for Scarlett that you would need to learn.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, you're making learn on that car, right? Not this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, kind of cool thing. So I've already started thinking, like that would be is going to be a great like thing for us to do together.
Yeah, father-son project.
All right, there's all these little things that I need to do to mine too.
Yeah.
That
Not much though. My God.
Y'all.
Right.
Absolutely.
barely
Compared to my car, if you want to come back and see it, it's in pieces. I don't know if you've seen that, but yeah, I've got the fenders off and I'm kind of welding everything back together on my FHP. Yeah, original 5.0 5-speed, guys. It's just like, this thing is so nice. Take a look at it. He did mention the quarters might need to be redone. I think I know somebody that can do that. Wow. Here's power windows and door locks. Look at the mileage here. Yeah, just over 40. 4154. Wow. And this thing even smells really clean, man. Wow. The doors even close well. I love how the doors close. There comes the trailer, guys. It's gonna load up Scarlett in that today. So, do we need to have Matt get the brake cleaner out to spray to start it, to back it up? All right, give it a gas, give it a gas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. No, not anymore, right? We took care of that. Matt's talking about how nice the stock exhaust sounds, but it's cool that he has one. I'm not sure I'm gonna be behind it. Yes, I am. Tell him how a stock exhaust sounds. All right, here we go. John's gonna crank it up for us. Stock mufflers, H-pipe. Okay, that's a lot lower than I thought, actually. Yeah, it has a nice bass tone to it. It ain't bad. Original exhaust, even. This car is original. Guys, it has the original exhaust. I think the only thing he said he's done is like the spark plug wires, you know, maintenance stuff, some brake stuff. So, that is crazy. Yeah, the 10 holes look good too. Obviously keep it clean. It's not the original tires, right? I wouldn't imagine.
But it's the third set of tires.
Third set?
Yeah.
After, how many years is that? Over 30, right? Wow. Stock exhaust. Well, yeah, so when you fire Scarlett up, John, it sounds a little different. Yeah. It's not only the Flowmasters, but it's it has an off-road H-pipe, or I guess no, homemade H-pipe. So guys, me and Matt have been geeking out. Not that Matt, that's another Matt, that's his son. But me and this Matt. Matt, you found the birthday of the car, which he did know. John said this is the when he picked it up from the dealership, 11089.
Yep.
But that wasn't when the car rolled off the assembly line. But you found it, right?
Right. Yeah. Fine. It's barely there.
Yeah. No way they're gonna see it on camera.
The one's almost gone, but it's a 1213. So this car ran off the assembly line December 13th of 88.
88. Okay.
Which it has a December 88 build date on the door tag, and then it was delivered January.
Yeah. Less than a month later, John picked it up, which is so cool. Yeah, I bet it was. How old were you when you got that, actually?
19, 20.
Okay, wow, 19 or 20. You still got it. I also had my first Foxbody at 19, and
molested, which
yeah,
is rare for somebody at that age picking it up.
Yeah, brand new off the showroom floor. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Lily wants to be on camera today. But yeah, I had my first. It was a convertible 89. It was an 89 convertible, and I was 19. And my wife Tiffany was following me in her Honda Accord, and I stopped at the stop sign and she didn't. We weren't even married yet, and she bent the frame. So I always give her a hard time about that. When you learn to drive and follow him and Scarlett, you make sure you hit the brakes. All right, y'all, we got a lot of wind out here today, so sorry for the wind noise, but I've convinced John to help me out to do one of my favorite things. He's gonna move the car right up here. And I'm gonna try to do one of the cinematics, which you guys know I love. I don't know if you guys are always a fan, it's always back and forth, but I gotta do that with this car, it's too nice. Guys, the shoot is all done. I got the car, threw in the cinematic, obviously, but the coolest thing about this, I found out him and his son, the 88 GT Scarlett, are gonna build that together and they're gonna go cruising. His son is Matt. And yeah, the two of them, they'll have the two red Foxbodies. I mean, how cool is that? He got the car at 19, you know, his son's a teenager and they're gonna be able to bond over this. I'm so glad they won the auction. So anyway, right now what we're gonna do is we gotta go ahead and get the car up front. I think we're gonna try to get them together and then it's gonna go on the trailer over there. So yeah, pretty neat, pretty exciting. I'm so glad John got it. And I mean, come on, original Foxbody owner off the lot. Perfect guy to get Scarlett and bring Scarlett home. Look what they found in the center console, guys. You guys remember the Monopoly game from McDonald's? I'm not sponsored by McDonald's, but this was probably the millionaire winner. No, I guess that would have to be Boardwalk or Park Place. $200,000 dream home. This was the one they needed for the $200,000 dream home, I bet.
It probably was, yeah.
Try to turn that in, John. Maybe they'll let you. All right, first time starting it up. You haven't started yet, have you, John? You cannot hear it? Okay, here you go.
I've heard it.
You've heard? Okay, you heard it. Sounds a little bit better. Sounds better in stock, Matt. Yeah, okay. He says it sounds different. Yeah, better, okay. Matt says better is a matter of opinion. So what do you do when you pick up a Foxbody from Fox Mustang Restoration? Well, you might need some parts. So John got himself a new battery tray here with the hardware. See the little FMR sticker, and of course, got to get the original Ford Motorcraft plug wires. So this will be awesome. Definitely though, you're gonna hold on to the date coded ones, right?
Absolutely.
He's got date coded wires, so that's awesome. And he got to get his 10% off with a discount code of his own car, Scarlett. That was the discount code they had going at that time, so that's pretty cool. All right, guys, I went ahead and made a little deal here. I sold John my turbines, my original turbines that were going on Tar Heel Fox. I didn't need them anymore. Of course, I was using one of them on the SSP, and Pony 1992, I know you're out there. You still have my Cobra R wheel. I'm gonna have to find another wheel now to roll the SSP around, but that's okay. I got it on dollies right now. I don't need it anyway. So then we're gonna give John the turbines and load him up. All right, there we go. My back's feeling better, but I'm making Matt do some work. There go the turbines. John, I'm really glad you got those because that's like another original piece of the car now, you know?
Yeah, that is.
There he goes. All right, Jen, it's gonna be the last time Scarlett's gonna be here.
We'll see her again though.
I think so, yeah. He's only 1 mile away, so we can check up on her if we need to. All right, so John got the car here. You guys know we always got to get the thumbnail, and he's bringing his coupe. So he'll have 2 red Foxbodies. We're gonna line them up and get a thumbnail. This will be really cool.
I can move Scarlett.
She just wants to take one more drive in it, I think. All right, we are repositioning for the thumbnail. This should be good. Oh, I'm still recording. Still recording, Matt. Hey. Getting on the trailer here. Always fun. A little sad, but fun. It's going to a good home. We actually got the wheels. I got them hooked up with all the original turbines. I got them hooked up with the original turbine wheels here. So we're all set there. 50 bucks. Been for sale forever. So you guys could have got them too. We're gonna take 2 on this. And he does not have any power steering in there, by the way. There's no belt, so it's a challenge for steering that right now. But he's doing good. John's doing good. So she's loaded up. Scarlett's going home. Matt and John. John, how you feeling, man? You got one each. You got that one and
Super excited. So
Yeah.
this is some like great motivation to work on something new.
yeah.
And then some motivation to do a few little things.
Yeah. Although everyone's gonna say that car's so nice, but you did find some small little things.
Yeah, and I can tell you about every one of them.
Okay, well maybe we'll have to do that on the follow-up. And so this one, Matt, you and him are gonna work on this together, right?
Yeah, it'll be a project car for the both of us.
Yeah, father-son project.
It'll be fun.
That is awesome. And which one, this is the big question, I wanna know. Which one do you think sounds better now that you've heard them both run? Maybe you appreciate both, like, he's gonna go with that one. You're gonna, oh yes, yes, you guys know how I'm going. So Matt, I don't know. We said it's a matter of preference. I always give Matt a hard time because he's pretty much all original, but anyway, he actually does want to build a 351 one day, but that'll be on a future video. So that's awesome, guys. I'm glad you got the car, glad it's going to the new home, and I'm glad you got the turbines actually. Yep.
That's good.
Yeah, so you have an option for now, you at least roll it around on that.
All around good day.
Yep, cool. All right, well, he's heading on. I know you guys got to go. I might catch you leaving there because that car's so nice.
All right.
But it's awesome, man.
All right. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
And he's only like 1 mile away. So Jen, if we need to see this car again,
We can check in.
I think we can arrange that,
Yeah,
right?
that'd be awesome. I'm sure he would love that too.
Yeah. So we want to see the progress on it one day. But there she goes, guys. The end of the series with Scarlett. And I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm going to catch him rolling out here. Then we'll close this one out. Take care. Bye. There he goes. There goes Scarlett. All right, guys, that is it. Pretty exciting. I really didn't know if we were gonna get to do this on the channel. I figured the last video on Scarlett, you know, was gonna be the last one I put up, but it just worked out. He was local and he's taking it home, and that's just, it's so awesome, such a great story. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.